Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an installation that we've just carried out for a company called Crowland Cranes. What we've upgraded their van with today is a new racking system from Sortimo. I'm going to be going through the full install process, but also going through exactly how they've spec'd this vehicle in today's video. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. In terms of this vehicle, what we've done is design, spec'd and then installed the full system. So what we've gone for is a slightly unique design, and that's exactly why customers come into us. I'm going to be going through their full spec on how they've spec'd it, and then also how you guys can get booked in with us later on in the video. In terms of this system, what we've got is a full workbench that basically drops down, operates, goes onto the floor, and then also what we've also done is supplied a vise as well. We've actually not bolted this onto this workbench at the moment because they want to do that themselves, because they want to choose exactly how they want it. So we've done that as a supply only, and that's actually tucked away in a little storage compartment. I'm going to go through all these boxes, what they're actually used for, and also go through that in a bit more detail. So that bench, basically this little clip comes out, it folds down, really solid bench as well, which is quite nice. Then what we've got is a little bit of storage at the bottom. So in here you've got basically a really nice little bit of area down at the bottom, and that's actually where the vise is currently stored so far, and then that folds down. As you guys know, Sortimo is basically like the Rolls-Royce of racking system. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's our go-to solution. In terms of what we've got here, we've got some different storage boxes that these actually come out completely as well, which is really nice. So they basically just slide in there. So we've got 2 rows of them. Then what we've got is these little boxes here too. These also have little dividers in them, so you can literally subcategorize exactly what tools, little screws, bits and pieces you're going to need, and have everything nice and organized. One of the things I really like about these, and what we actually use in our vehicles ourselves, is we actually labeled these up. Because it's clear acrylic, you can see through, you can see exactly what you've got while you're off site, but also you can label these up, which is what we've done to make things even easier to use. So we've got quite a few of them lined up all the way at the top. So, and they just slide in really easily like that, and they come out nicely as well. Then we've got a little bit more storage that can be used for paperwork, all sorts of different pieces. One of the things these guys were after was creating a T-piece bulkhead. Basically, that's exactly what we've done. We've actually got at the back behind this racking system a bulkhead that goes across, and then at the back of the van, which we'll show you shortly, another storage area. So that's really nice. It's actually quite a nice idea. We've not done this before, so this was a first for us, but it creates a little nice idea that obviously if anything falls behind, nothing go around to the other side. It's all sort of controlled in this environment, and creates a little bit of storage area here as well. So it's quite an effective way of racking out a van, and hence why we're doing the video, to show you guys exactly that. Heading over to the back of the vehicle now. Actually in here what we've got is a really nice amount of space. We've actually converted this using that bulkhead design to basically create that little cut sort of area here at the back for more storage area. Obviously you can pile nice and high, you can got loads of space here. It's actually a really nice way of utilising the van. So that's a nice little area. Basically we've got the side pieces here as well, and all this kit has been designed, spec'd and then installed. This is actually where the guys work at Crowland Cranes, underneath their vehicle. So they've got the cover under here, so if it is pouring down in rain, like it does a lot of the time in this country, you've obviously got that cover. Plus we've also added in some LED lights at the top here, plus one here. So it's going to shine right directly on all the storage stuff. Plus obviously you've got the lighting while you're working, say it's at night or anything like that, or a bit darker. You can see exactly what you're doing, which is a really nice solution. Then that actually works right directly off the existing lighting circuit in the back of the vehicle. We're now going to head over to the side of the vehicle, and we're actually going to go through what sort of solutions they've got there. So around this side of the van, so this is now the driver's side of the vehicle, we've got even more storage facility here as well. Again, obviously the back of the bulkhead's there. We've got more storage down along this front edge. We've also got the Sortimo floor as well, which looks really nice. Plus, obviously, it's all crash tested and installed to the highest possible standards. In terms of what we've got here, we've just gone basically for large storage areas that can be used for paperwork, large bottles, and plus we've also got down at the bottom a little bit more storage area where you can put ropes or something to secure whatever you need to. So again, quite a versatile way of racking out a vehicle. So if you're interested in something like this, we'll drop all of our social media links down in the description below. But thank you very much for watching, and we hope to work on your vehicle soon, or your fleet. If it's one vehicle up to around about 50, we carry out all our installations here in Cambridge. We do full electrical work, plus obviously the racking work or whatever you might need. It can all be done under one roof. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.